For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split screen for multitasking using Windows 10 snapping. To do that, go to Start menu, click Settings, then head to System and click Multitasking. Toggle on all the options. To use it, open desired windows, drag them on the sides of your PC, and select other windows for the opposite side. Repeat for more windows, and that's it. You've learned how to split screen on Windows 10 using snapping. Once you're done, you'll have a neatly organized workspace that maximizes your screen and helps you work more efficiently. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.